Hi everybody! The video is quick. I broke my black little plastic thing that hold the crank together, so I will put that there because my left hand is not very stable to work with, so it will help me to hold that thing. And with a drill I would just go and put it round because it wasn't round to put my screw in it, so will be better with that. So I went to the hardware, I bought some not loose nut, but a lock nut and a screw. We'll put it there, not that way, like this. It's a little bit hard to be in the right place in the camera. The hole is not big enough. Just fix it a little bit. Make sure you don't go too big, because if you go too big, make sure you don't make a hole in your table too. I almost did, because I have to keep that in the air to to do a hole in it. So I will come back and put it like this instead and bring the top of it right there. Very important to not put the screw too tight when you attach it, because you want to be able to turn your... I didn't have a screwdriver, so I use like my kitchen knife. I know it's terrible. I feel like somebody who doesn't have any tools, but I have some, but it's in the garage and it's very cold outside, so I decided to use it. Just it's worked. So I will go and put it through like this, and you see it's tight because I didn't do the hole too big, because if you do too big, it won't work. So you have to keep it that it's moving like this. And if you have a little thing to space, could be good. I forgot to buy one at the hardware store today, so I will put it there. I think it's called a washer. I forgot to buy a washer, but it's okay. So I put the lock nut over it, and I will attach it tight with my hands only, and voila, ready to go. And less than $1. Actually, I think it cost me 25 cents for those two pieces, because I have a very nice hardware store close to my place. So I wish you a good day and hope this little video helped you to continue using your machine. So voila, have a good day, bye bye. Here is the kind of screw you need.